I was actually maybe a little bit resentful towards some people who play klezmer, that they don't have a clue what. I mean, some of them don't. They play great, but they don't really have a clue about Yiddish culture. And klezmer without Yiddish, it doesn't really make sense. It comes from Yiddish-speaking musicians. So, can you really play klezmer without having a strong connection with Yiddish? I guess you can, but in my case, I felt I had to investigate deeper. So I started learning Yiddish by myself
How?
with books. With books, yeah. It was great. I mean, it reminded me of those Russian Soviet Union, like Russian books that I had when I was a kid. So old-fashioned, you know. I work. I never know how to pronounce this name. When
Fine,
one,
right.
okay, because there's French way. So I basically went through the book, and it took me probably a year. Every night, I would I would practice Yiddish with the book, which took me to a level. I mean, I cannot speak Yiddish, and I don't want to speak Yiddish, but I can understand. I read and I understand now, which was enough to, in my opinion, to be able to read poems